Hi guys. So we've been on holiday and Goofy's hair has grown so much and she's getting everything stuck to herself. So it's time for a little haircut and she does not like it, but then when I'm around she doesn't say much, but I do know she doesn't like it. Then I'm going to give her a little showery as well so she can be clean and smell really nice. So right now she knows, because this is our routine, she has to be a bit high so that she doesn't want to do a jump, so I can give her a nice little cut. Hello Goofy. Goofy, say hello. Say hello. Goofy. It's haircutting time. There we go, Goofy. All done. All nice and clean. So you cut your nails now.
Oh my Gupo, मेरी कारो Gupo रानो.
It's done clean now.
हाँ मैं उठा दें जानो देखें बेचारी बिल्कुल घबराई अपने साथ लगा लेना. Oh my Gupo.
She's gonna get so happy and run around now. She's gone so thin now. All her hair's gone.
उतार दो नीचे से.
नहीं अभी nails काटने हैं. Nails are gone as well.
इसको कुछ खाने को दें इनसे उठा दो.
There are little bits and bobs out over here, but it's okay. Look at her ears, what I've done to them.
Oh my Gupo.
She's not gonna eat anything right now. She's in a state of panic. She hates it. Maybe that's it. No, this was important. It was very important. Look, you were not playing around because you couldn't see, and then all the hair was coming. Look, now for a few months you can just run around like you normally do, like you naughty little self. Huh? You naughty little self. You angry with me? You angry with me? It's okay. You can be angry with me, but then you're gonna like me later, aren't you? Huh? I know I haven't done a good job, but it's the best you can do at Charles Barbers, aren't you? Eh? I can only do this much. I'm not a professional. So let's cut your nails now. I know you hate it, but it has to be done. Nail cutting time.
Oh my God! Look how much hair.
Oh, she had too much hair.
How come you?
So here we are. It's shower time and she knows it. I'm going to try and be very quick, so I might not record it because she doesn't like water And she doesn't like a shampoo, so yep. This is the shampoo I'm going to use on her. Got from the pet shop. So yeah, she's going to be clean in a bit. She already knows it, she's having a shower. I'm just going to put the camera on here. Hopefully you'll see how I give her a shower as well. She's a very good little bunny of mine. I'm going to try not to stress her out too much. She's okay at the moment, not moving, meaning she knows. Because I've done this with her a lot of times. Like she knows I'm the only one who, once she's clean, she's clean. But yeah. Here we go, Goofy. Under there. There we go, Goofy. Look at the camera. Huh? Look at the camera. Oh, baby. We're gonna get clean today. It's all nice and smelling very nice. Yeah. Get some more shampoo on you. Yeah. Clean your facey. Good. Look at my Goobo. Goobo Rani. Goobo Rani is all clean. Now everybody gonna say Goobo is smelling show now. Show para. There we go. So there we go. I'm just gonna dry her up now. Okay. So we have Pingu over here, but Pingu is so different to Goofy because she does not stay in one place. She doesn't have hair like Goofy, so we can just brush it out and then give her a shower, but she's had very less showers, so she hates them. She literally hates them. She doesn't even brush her daily as well. And she is really not only heavy, but she's very active. She's like a jump. She won't care if she's going to hurt herself, so for that reason I'm going to be very careful with her. No, people, no. There you go. She does not like having a shower. But I'm sorry, baby, you have to have a shower. If you're dirty, very dirty. So I'll just take this out because it looks like she doesn't start with that. Let's play with water. Yay, let's play with water, huh? Oh! What was that for? Now you have to have a shower with shampoo on now. What are you going to do? Huh? Oh. Wait. So you see the difference between the two rabbits I've got? Just stand up here. We're done now, we're done. All finished. Pingu. Hello, Pingu. Pick you up, little fatty. She's had her shower as well now. So guys, I've cleaned everything. She's back in her room. Also Goofy's over there, hiding over there from me. She'll come in here in a bit, and I've put in the food and water and one of that. tidied the living room so they can go there as well now. Oh, keeping rabbits is a hard job because they do mess the house a lot. So yeah, look at her now. Hello, Goofy. As you can see, she's got really little. She's a little bunny and that one's a big bunny. Aren't you, Pingu?